Hi everyone, here we've got LG K52 and let me show you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on sound. And as you can see here we've got the whole ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls and this is the very first option, or for notifications. What's more, under it we can decide if you'd like to ring with vibration, right? You can set the ringtone ID or you can set the flash alert for incoming calls. It's really up to you how you want to set it. So let me actually focus on this, how to change the ringtone. So let me show you how to do it using the calls. So simply tap on the very first option, and as you can see here we've got the full list of defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose, and as you can see they are categorized, so we can choose something from the simple, elegant, chic, pleasant, joyful, schedule and environmental, so actually a lot of options to choose from. What's more, we can tap on this plus icon, and after choosing you can select your own file. So if you will have any compatible files downloaded, for example, they will appear right here and you will be able to set them as a ringtone. But let me get back to the defaultly installed ones, and now in order to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it. Okay, let me maybe volume it a little. And actually that's all. If you are happy with your choice, and for example if you'd like to set the lollipop as your ringtone, just make sure that it is marked and all you have to do right now is get back. And as you can see it is notified right here, and from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone. Of course the same situation will be with notifications, so simply tap on it. Here you've got the list of defaultly installed ones. You can tap on this plus icon and choose something from your own files. In order to listen how it sounds, just tap on it, and if you'd like to set it as a notification sound, make sure that it is marked and let's get back. And the same situation, it is notified right here, and from now on your device will use it. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your LG K52. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.